This just in, ladies and gentlemen. Today we embark on a thrilling journey into the fascinating world of learning and the extraordinary ways our bodies respond to stress. Buckle up, because we're about to uncover how a racing heart can actually help us learn better. Yes, you heard that right. Now picture this. You're engrossed in a riveting book, your heart is racing, and suddenly, bam! You remember every single detail. It's not just a figment of your imagination, folks. Research shows that heightened emotional states like stress can actually enhance memory retention. Isn't that just dandy? Let's take a trip back to the 1950s, when scientists were just beginning to scratch the surface of this incredible topic. In a groundbreaking study conducted by Dr. James McGaugh, a name that deserves to be celebrated, researchers discovered that emotional arousal, like that from a scary movie or a thrilling car chase, could solidify memories in our minds. Now, if you've ever been involved in a high-stakes situation like a car crash, chances are you can recall every detail with crystal clarity. That's because your brain was firing on all cylinders, processing and storing those memories like a well-oiled machine. But hold your horses! The excitement doesn't stop there. Let's fast forward to another fascinating experiment from the realm of psychology. Picture a group of young students eager to learn, faced with the chilly embrace of ice-cold water. Sounds like a scene from a teen movie, doesn't it? Well, these youngsters were part of a study led by the esteemed Dr. Richard F. Thompson. They were subjected to cold exposure right after learning new material, and guess what? Their retention rates skyrocketed. That's right, folks. The shock of cold water jolted their systems, and suddenly the information they had just learned was etched into their minds like a permanent stamp. Now, you might be wondering, why does this happen? Well, it's all about the hormones, my friends. When we experience stressful situations, our bodies release adrenaline and other stress hormones, which enhance our cognitive functions. This is your brain on stress. Imagine it like turning on a turbo boost in your car. Suddenly, you're zooming ahead and everything becomes sharper and clearer. And here's a fun little tidbit for you. This phenomenon is known as emotional memory enhancement. It's a fancy term, but it simply means that our brains are wired to remember things better when they are linked to strong emotions, be it fear, joy, or even surprise. It's like a built-in memory booster that helps us navigate the wild ride of life. But wait, there's more. The emotional connection to learning doesn't just stop with stress. Have you ever had that heart-pounding moment when you fell in love or experienced something truly exhilarating? Well, research suggests that positive emotional experiences can also enhance memory retention. So whether you're scared, stiff, or filled with joy, your brain is in overdrive, working hard to ensure those memories stick. Now let's take a moment to consider practical applications of this knowledge. For students and lifelong learners alike, understanding how stress can impact learning can be a game changer. For instance, if you're cramming for that big exam, a little bit of healthy stress like setting a timer and racing against the clock might just help you lock in that information. But remember, folks, too much stress can be counterproductive, so it's all about finding the right balance. And here's a nugget of wisdom. If you're preparing for a big presentation or performance, consider incorporating a touch of excitement. Whether it's a little adrenaline from a quick workout or the thrill of a surprise element in your presentation, you might find that your audience will remember your message more vividly. So next time you find yourself in a high-stakes situation, remember the science behind it. Embrace the heart-pounding moments and let them fuel your learning. Whether it's acing an exam or mastering a new skill, you have the power to harness the incredible connection between stress and memory. And there you have it, folks, the sensational connection between learning and stress response. So the next time you feel that adrenaline rush, don't fret, embrace it. Who knows, it might just be the key to unlocking your full potential. Until next time, now do like and subscribe. Keep learning, keep growing. Share your thoughts in the comments. And remember, this just in.